Legends of Learning presents the Recircuit
Level
game.
1.
This is a math game that makes learning about multiplying 4 by 1 and 2 by 2 digit numbers fun and easy to understand. In this informative, instructional game, the robot circuit is all in a mess. Help it by opening it up and repairing its circuit. In this game, students will multiply a whole number of up to 4 digits by a 1-digit whole number and multiply two 2-digit numbers using strategies based on place value and the properties of operations. Play this instructional math game that will require you to apply your multiplication skills to win the game. You will drag and drop the correct numbers into the correct places. Your 4 answers will then appear as an addition sum for you to total. Click on the up and down keys to select the correct numbers in each column,
Level
and
1.
click on the yellow arrow to submit. Be careful to calculate correctly. If not, your answer will explode, and you will be required to start again. Try and attain the highest score. You will learn more about multiplying 4 by 1 and 2 by 2 digit numbers in this game as you progress. Are you ready to accept the challenge? Do you have the right skills to help you win the game? Have fun and enjoy playing.